This is the Body Factory's cafe. We will go in after. Get something to eat. This is the outdoor section. A cute doggy. You can see a little peek over there. And then he said to come this way. This is the parking for the Body Factory. Toilet over there. Try the opening. And we just go down this way, so to get to the front desk.
Do you need the recovery as well, or just I'll show you to recovery first, then we go to the gym.
Okay, perfect, amazing, incredible. Incredible.
Okay, so here is my recovery area. So you can relax at the pool or hang out area down there. Or anywhere actually. And also we have for a jacuzzi, the middle one is for cold plunge, and ice bath for the small one. And also for sauna will be the back there.
It's like all in one area and all comes together. That's different.
Yeah.
Okay, wow, beautiful. So you have to take a quick little spin. Beautiful. Beautiful. Amazing. Beautiful here. Wow. And this is where you can get steaks too here?
Yeah, we have coffee, food, pre-workout, protein shake.
Ooh, yes, all of that. Okay. And then this is the sauna you said. The sauna is in there. It's huge. Amazing. Changing rooms. Changing rooms. Lockers. Oh no. It smells delicious in here. It smells amazing. Men and women. Oh, vision. Goals. Setting goals. Whoa. Beautiful. Wow.
The training area. That's mostly for the classes. But if there's no class, you can use this area yourself.
So this is classes mostly though?
Yes.
Okay. But when there's no classes, we can use it?
Yeah, no class.
Gotcha. Wow, thank you. Wow.
And this is for a main gym area. It's mostly for free weight and cardio for the
Beautiful, amazing. Body scans, lockers, questions, the weights. Wow. Big mirrors. section. Soft ones. Beautiful views here. Organize. Water here. Ooh, I like the way that that's stacked. Cool. And some way. Thank you. Wow. Amazing, beautiful. Wow.
This is for indoor bike area.
Indoor bike area.
And we have for more lower body equipment. You can come inside.
Thank you. Beautiful. Amazing. Another mirror back here against the wall. Amazing. Stretching some legs. Beautiful. Love the vibe.
I'm just gonna go to the toilet and then we'll pick off.
Yeah, okay.
Sound good, yeah? Yeah, sure.
Well, there's toilets right here. Section. Smells incredible.
For the water, that will be in the left door, toilet and shower room inside, yeah?
So you said every week, every day, every week.
Every day we have a classes, but we have more than 50 classes in a week. Yeah,
More
so
than
like,
50 classes
in
a
a
week.
week. Yeah. But mostly
Wow.
for weekdays, we do have in the morning and the afternoons. And in the morning we starting from 7 until 11 or 12. And then the afternoon we starting from 3 or 4 p.m. until 6 p.m.
Okay.
And for weekend we only have in the morning only.
Only
So
in the
no,
morning.
the afternoon.
Got you. Okay. And then we have booty factory, so glute work, breath work. We have yoga, Pilates.
Yoga, this one for activate, that's for yoga.
Activate. Okay, activate. Mat Pilates, What is the factory reset?
Factory this is like kind of stretching.
Ooh, stretching. Okay. Fem factory fit, which is upper body.
Yeah, factory fit is like training cardio and strength, like as a group, like circuit, like hit.
Hit cardio, almost
more
like
focus on
upper body.
Depends the program. Upper is more focused to upper or lower.
Wow.
More focused to lower.
Lower.
Yeah.
Okay, got you. And then strength would be weights involved?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Like a normal gym, but as a group.
Oh, I love that. Wow. Okay, and then warrior fit as Muay Thai, and then factory fusion, that's the upper body.
Yeah.
Factory fusion is similar to the
It's
other.
like factory fit.
Okay. And then all levels. Hydrox?
High rocks.
High rocks?
Yes. High rocks is kind of the factory fit as well. But it's for high rocks a lot of cardio, like running, skier, or anything.
Whoa. Sweating, like.
Yeah.
Okay, and then BFB staff class, what is that?
That's for our staff.
Okay.
That's for our staff.
And then, got you, yin, yoga, and meditation. That's the yoga class?
Yes.
But also active is the yoga class.
Activate is active is normal yoga, just basic
Normal yoga. And then the yin, yoga, and meditation
kind
is
of a level of basic yoga.
a more deeper level, like a more higher level. Okay. And then gravity?
Gravity is kind of calisthenics
Ooh.
and beginner handstand.
Beginner handstand, wow.
Depends the culture. It's because we have two coaches for gravity. We have calisthenic and beginner handstand.
Wow, amazing. Okay, perfect, amazing. And then that's what it looks like here. And then, yeah, there's some merch.
And also we have a merch in 2024, 2025 as well. And probably for this year, 2026, we win again.
Another one, yeah, incredible. And a cute merch and everything. Wow. Amazing. And the towels were over here. Just quick peek real quick. And we're again. Wow, amazing. Beautiful. Fans around, TV, the entrance is here, and then we enter through here.
Hi.
So prices, delicious. Their specials look amazing. Coffee. Beautiful. We have a vegan section, keto. This is the protein shake section. They have smoothie bowls, oats, breakfast. Beautiful menus, very cute. They have all day eats here. They have actually macros. Or they have the grams there too. Love that. Vegan, low carb, gluten free, amazing. Beautiful. So I just finished a tour of the Body Factory. Beautiful, beautiful. It is a different aesthetic. Let's go over here and see the cafe section. I believe you'll get a percentage off if you go to this gym and then you eat their food, I believe. But amazing, beautiful. It feels a little bit hotter up here. I'm not sure if it's just the day, but it's a little more hot. But also I went to the other gym yesterday while it was raining, so I might need to go to that gym again when it's like actually hot out. But as of right now, this is amazing. I love it. I still think I like the other one better. It's more luxury, more romantic, more like just but this is a different vibe, and it has a lot to offer. A lot of classes, a lot of classes. Beautiful space, beautiful hangout space. Like, it's a vibe. The locker room, it feels like kind of dark. It feels like kind of like tough fitness, like that, like, you know what I mean, like that more like strong fitness, like black. Like, the lighting was so beautiful inside, but it was all black and dark and like grungy like, but like fitness and like go hard. The whole section with the, it's like, it has the dark parts, it has like the light parts. So very beautiful. I kind of want to see the menu right now and see what they got, but definitely very beautiful and has a lot to offer.